What is the most Punjabi thing you do on a film set?
I'm too move hard. If a woman is opinionated
Yes.
or has a strong image, they don't feel the need to really protect her or be there. ये तो अपना ध्यान रखेगी. So I sometimes miss के भाई मेरे लिए भी एक दरवाजा खोल दो गाड़ी का.
The chivalry.
खोलने तू तो खोल ही लेगी. तू तो कर लेगी. I mean that's on a lighter vein.
Yes.
But yes, in my life I have found lots of men. In fact, I have someone who tells me always कि भाई तुम आसान नहीं हो किसी के लिए क्योंकि you are a self-reliant woman, you're a successful woman and you're an intelligent woman. तो वो थोड़ा सा lethal सा combo है संभालने के लिए. I do feel you need a very secure, a very self-sufficient, a very what do you say, nurturing person for a woman to just hold hands with. It's I think better to be single than to have a very suffering relationship. I had Dilli Che that had just released and I was shooting in Rajasthan, a very remote area. And I get a call from the phone reflects Shabana as me and I'm running कि यहाँ नेटवर्क कहाँ लूँ. तो वो जैसे बसंती वाली टैंकी थी ना वैसी टैंकी पे चढ़ी कि यहाँ से तो नेटवर्क आ जाएगा. तो ऐसे एक सीढ़ी पे टांग रख के ऐसे फोन ले कि ये फोन कॉल मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. And I spoke to Shaukat Appa and I spoke to her. So every film that they saw, they would call and they would tell me what they thought about it. I think along the years, somewhere, especially after my mom went, she's been around and she's just like a rock. Hi, this is Divya Datta and you're watching me on Midday.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Midday's Powerful Women Season 3. Joining me today in conversation is the incredibly talented actor and author Divya Datta ma'am. Hello ma'am, how are you?
I'm good and I love your name.
Thank you so much.
Deep.
You look fabulous. And
you.
I want to start off by asking you, because we are celebrating powerful women, what does power mean to you?
Having the freedom of choice and using your choices in a way that impacts you and people and society around you in a good way.
At what point did you think you've had this was my most powerful moment in life, if you can recall?
I feel it's more internal than outward. So when you feel you have kind of learned how to respond than to react, you kind of feel you've got the power over yourself and over all those little things that you've been fighting. Yeah, I think it's more of internal conflicts that you won that make you feel more powerful and more dependent on yourselves than anything else.
So ma'am, you've grown up in a very progressive household. You're a doctor's daughter. And ऐसा माना जाता है कि डॉक्टर के बच्चे तो डॉक्टर ही बनेंगे. How did you convince your mother that you want to step into this field, which we love enjoying movies, we like to watch actors in movies, but when profession की बात आती है, it is looked down upon. And coming from your time, it must have been quite different. How was that?
I think I always wanted to be an actor ever since I was 4. I had watched Mr. Bachchan on the big screen and I was totally and absolutely mesmerized. And I was like, I have to do something that makes me be on the big screen. So I didn't know how and what, but I guess when you really want something, the universe conspires. And since everyone in my house was like in the medical profession, it was kind of expected of me because I was very, very studious and good with my studies, but I had no interest in studying medicine because the very sight of blood or an injection would just do that for me. And so I think the onus of taking the tradition forward was my brother, poor thing. But he loves that profession. So I guess har ek ko jo sahi tha. And you're right, it's my progressive mom who said, okay, do what you want to do. Because I think you just live once. You shouldn't be living with regrets. And she surely didn't want her child to be living with regrets. कि अगर मम्मी ने करने दिया होता तो मैं ज़रूर करती. I, in fact, thank her every day of my life. Thank you for letting me choose the profession I wanted to be a part of.
When you stepped into this industry, like a full-fledged actor, you must have had some expectations for yourself कि ऐसी movie करनी है, इस director के साथ काम करना है, these are the kind of roles that I want to play. Did it work out for you initially or gradually?
I think everything in life happens gradually,
Yes.
which you don't really realize. Certain things may happen to many people, but uska na phir maza nahi aata hai. You see it too soon, and then it just like a fizz just goes off like a soda. In my life, of course, I think I've had to work hard towards whatever I wanted. And yes, there was a wish list I had. In fact, the very audition I came for in Mumbai was with Yash Chopra and with Shekhar Kapoor and with Subhash Ghai and with Suraj Barjati, and I wanted to work with all of them. So even if haven't worked with Shekhar or Surajji, I have known them at such close photos that I feel I've worked with them. But the other veterans, the other legends, Subhash Ghai I've worked with, and Yash Ji I've worked with. So yes, you have a list and it keeps growing. And I guess I'm a greedy actor, and I have wanted to work with the best. And now you have such a new lot coming in. The stories are beautiful, and the layers that they are giving the roles are really nice. So I'm really enjoying biting my teeth into the roles that I'm just shooting for, because everyone wants ऐसे नहीं इसको थोड़ा और इतना कर लेंगे फिर ये भी कर लेंगे फिर ये भी कर लेंगे, and I'm loving that. Yes, it's been gradual of knowing myself, of what I want, of the kind of people I want to be working with,
Yes.
of people I want to be surrounded by. Finding your niche, very important. And so, yeah, it all takes time. And when you look back, you feel, I'm glad I treaded on a different path,
Yes.
a path that I made for myself, and a lot of other young girls are following that, where you don't just get stuck with one image. You want to do it all.
Yes.
You want to do different things. You want to play different roles, and you don't want to be marked in that box. Ki ye yahi karti hai. I'm capable of doing a lot more, and will
Absolutely.
continue to do that. Yeah.
Ma'am, like you said, carving your own path. You know, because you've grown up with your mother, who has raised you single-handedly, obviously after your dad passed away. But did you grow up with that sentiment that kahin na kahin you don't need a man to hold your hand and make you feel complete?
Well, they're two different emotions.
Yes.
A man's need can be generalized, but a father is a different
Yes.
figure. Absolutely. And I feel आप जितने मर्जी आप ऐसा सोचें और हो, that you're very self-reliant, self-dependent. I've seen my mother not depending on anyone.
Yes.
But at the same time, I would feel, of course, she would have missed her husband.
Yes.
She had no choice, because
Yes.
she had to look after her kids, and she had to fight her own battles. There was no one looking over. मुझे looking over की feeling होती है ना,
Yes.
कोई है, not necessarily a man, somebody.
Yes.
But I think it feels really nice. And for me, like, I have my brother who is, very busy, but I know that he's looking over.
Yes.
So that, and he feels the same for me. So it's not like you need a guy for that, but you do need that support system where you feel. So yes, I would say I've missed my dad, but my mother made sure that she kind of, made up for all those emotional needs beautifully, I must say. And so now I remember my father very fondly, and not
Yes.
I wish it was like that,
Yes.
but very fondly. I hope I'm able to tell
Yes,
you.
yes, definitely.
So, yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I wanted to hear. Because you have been an independent woman all this while, men generally get intimidated
Oh, yes.
when a woman is opinionated, she's independent, she has her own mind. Did you encounter that while a prospective significant other was sitting in front of you, where your persona was intimidating
All
and
the
things
time.
didn't work out?
All the time. It happens. See, a woman would have two parts of her. One would be vulnerable, one would be a strong side. And
Yes.
I'm sure it's not just me, it's everyone
Yes.
who have those both those sides. But I guess a guy would really, I think this is the psyche where if a woman is opinionated,
Yes.
or has a strong image, they don't feel the need to really protect her or be there. well, ये तो अपना ध्यान रख लेगी. So I sometimes miss के भाई मेरे लिए भी एक दरवाजा खोल दो गाड़ी का.
The chivalry.
खोल दे तू तो खोल ही लेगी. तू तो कर लेगी. I mean, that's on a lighter vein.
Yes.
But yes, in my life I have found lots of men. In fact, I have someone who tells me always कि भाई तुम आसान नहीं हो किसी के लिए क्योंकि you are a self-reliant woman, you're a successful woman and you're an intelligent woman. तो वो थोड़ा सा लीथल सा कॉम्बो है संभालने के लिए. तो हम लोग मजाक करते हैं, but I do feel you need a very secure, a very self-sufficient, a very what do you say, nurturing person for a woman to just hold hands with. It's I think better to be single than to have a very suffering relationship. And intimidation is nice initially, but I think it should break off after a while when you know the person for who they
Yes.
are.
Coming to your recent release, Chhawa, I think everybody loved watching you as the matriarch, with a kind of like a negative side to her character. But, recently we figured that a very important scene was deleted from the movie and it surfaced online. And when we watched it, it was like, why? Why would you take away something that is so important, which shows you in a very there's so many shades to just that one particular scene. What was going through your head when you figured out कि अरे यार ये तो निकाल दिया है?
I got to know then only, and I think my director's a sweetheart. I mean, he just said biggest apologies that this had to happen, but it was the length and something, something, something. But I just feel I cannot get into the process of filmmaking and how it reaches the audience. For me, I think I have to see the bigger picture.
Yes.
That the film is a rocking hit and I am
Yes.
getting lots of love. Yes, I would love that scene in there. I hope it comes in the OTT. But if not, I think it's already there for everyone to
Yes.
see. So, theek hai, I get my pound of flesh, and all's good. That's getting you love, that's getting you attention, that's getting you, I think, that appreciation.
On a similar note, when I watched Sharma Ji Ki Beti, you had a meteor character. Everybody was like, माँ हो तो ऐसी हो. Because, I mean, it's such a strong maternal character, like where you are accepting your daughter. Also, what we noticed recently that, be it a Lapata Ladies or an All We Imagine Is Light, women write women roles in a very
Yes.
different light and beautifully. They have layers, they have so much substance to that.
It's person to person.
Yes.
Yes, a woman would understand a woman's issues way far more. What Tahira has shown in Sharma Ji.
Yes.
Those little things which we don't give much weight to,
Yes.
like probably periods or something,
Yes.
are issues for us. So I guess of course, she has really celebrated that, which probably is not really celebrated all the time.
Yes.
But yes, a woman does add that little extra touch. And but saying so, I think I've really worked with some really sensitive men. I mean, if we talk about Bandish Bandits,
Yes.
it was a male role that I
Yes.
portrayed. And it then when Anand said, "Would you be interested?" and I said, "I'd love to." He beautifully added the layers of a woman. He said we were anyways thinking to make it a female because a female would add lots of layers. Also, she would be a reflection of Tamanna's journey,
Yes.
and it would be two parallel tracks going side by side, which I think, I mean, a very sensitive person would think so. And the way he's given the arc to the whole role of Nandini, I had no complaints about saying, "Arey, I wish aisa likha hota." Beautifully written. So I'm saying it's very individual. It's very how sensitive you are
Yes.
to a certain topic.
Ma'am, coming to your friendship with Shabana ma'am,
Yeah.
how did that bond develop over the years besides work, outside of work?
You don't plan bonds.
Yes.
They happen.
Yes.
Special bonds even more so. I have been very fortunate because she was always my favorite actor in my growing years. If anyone said, "Who was your favorite actor?" I would say Amitabh Bachchan. I said, "Who's your favorite actress?" I would say Shabana Ji. And my first film with her was Umrao Jaan. And I was supposed to be dancing and I played her daughter in it. And I was very nervous and she was sitting there, the gaze right on me. It was and I was doing classical dance, Kathak kar rahi thi. So I was like, I cannot go wrong at all. She is watching me. And then I did it and I didn't have the face to even look at her. And I just went and she said, "Idhar aao." And I just froze and I went back and she just gave me a pat on my back. She said, "Acha kar rahi ho." I went jumping and dancing to my vanity to tell my mother, "You know what Shabana ji said to me." And then I think Shabana ji has a beautiful habit. She encourages new talent.
Yes.
She makes them feel special and important. And when you're beginning now, if somebody as legendary as her does that, one, it gives you confidence. Two, you feel very, very validated. And I remember I had Dilli Che that had just released, and I was shooting in Rajasthan, a very remote area. And I get a call from, the phone reflects, Shabana as me. And I'm running कि यहाँ नेटवर्क कहाँ लूँ. तो वो जैसे बसंती वाली टैंकी थी ना,
Yes.
वैसी टैंकी पे चढ़ी कि यहाँ से तो नेटवर्क आ जाएगा. तो ऐसे एक सीढ़ी पे टांग रख के ऐसे फोन ले कि ये फोन कॉल मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. And I spoke to Shaukat Appa and I spoke to her. So every film that they saw, they would call and they would tell me what they thought about it. I think along the years, somewhere, especially after my mom went, she's been around, and she's just like a rock. Not just to me, to my other female friends who are
Yes.
actors. I think वो जो कहते हैं कि female actresses या friends नहीं हो सकती हैं, I don't think so. I think we make a huge bonding group
Yes.
where everyone's there for everyone. And so yeah, I just want to say I just love her for who she is, and God bless her for who she is. And yeah, that's all I can say.
On a final note, what has been your biggest takeaway from this industry since you're completing 30 years?
I'm not taking away anything because I'm not leaving.
That's a very smart answer.
I'm still here until I'm there, and for sure, I don't see myself anywhere else. I'm crazily, fanatically passionate about acting, and I see myself doing some kick-ass roles until तब तक take away देखते हैं अभी क्या. फिलहाल के लिए I love my job. I love the people that do this job, and yeah, that's it.
We play a quick rapid fire. A recent film you wish you were a part of.
Every film. Bokar actor.
A movie character that is basically you.
My film would be Sharma Ji Ki Beti. Also a little bit of Bandish actually. Yeah,
It's a
I mean
mix
I
of
have
you.
both the sides actually. I'm that goofy, and no one thinks I'm goofy actually. But Bandish as well, a lot of me.
An actor who is your 3 a.m. friend.
Shabana Ji.
A film that made you cry.
Sholay. I cried when the last scene all the time. I cannot bear to watch it.
A film that made you laugh.
Chupke chupke.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I think I would love to bring smiles to people. I'd like to do that with performances, but I wish I had superpowers to do more. And yeah,
One life mantra you follow.
flow with life. Just enjoy the present.
Your all-time favorite dialogue.
असली काम तो ये लोग कर रहे हैं. बाकी सब तो.
What is the most Punjabi thing you've done on a film set?
I love talking.
Okay.
And I love yapping away, and I love doing masti, and I love getting lots of food and eating together. Yeah, I think it's nice. People say "तुम आई हो तो रौनक आई है," so I like that about being Punjabi.
One advice you would give your younger self.
No advice.
No
I
advice.
was happy making the mistakes I made. I was happy getting up and walking again. I think I was meant to learn the lessons that I did, and I think I fared pretty well.
Paid off. And that is a wrap. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That was
Shanice.
really fun and very
Ah.
insightful.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.